Hi guys, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's video, let's continue our discussion about sampling distributions. This is actually part of our previous video. Okay, so let's answer the example. A population consists of three numbers such as 2, 5, 8. Okay, so letter A, list all the sample size of 2 without replacement. So guys, sa previous video, with replacement. So pwede maulit yung given data. So this time, without replacement, ibig sabihin hindi pwede maulit yung given value or data. Okay? So we have sample. So sample, so list down natin lahat ng sample size of 2 without replacement. So ibig sabihin hindi pwede maulit. Okay, so we have 2. Okay, copy lang natin yan. 2, then 5, and then 2, 8. Okay? And then, after that, so we have 5, 2, and then 5, 8. So, 5, 2, then 5, 8. And then last, 8, 2, and then 8, 5. 8, 2, and 8, 5. Gets? Okay, so the next thing to do, since na-list down na lahat ng sample size natin of 2 without replacement, ay kukumpute naman natin yung mean of each sample. So, yung mean ng bawat sample natin. Okay? And for us to do that, so lagyan natin ang label. So, dapat guys, lagi may label. Okay. So, for us to get the mean or the average, okay, kasi mean of each sample. So, ito yun guys. So, we just add the two numbers, 2 plus 5, 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. Okay, 2 plus 8, we have 10, right? And then divided by 2, 5. So, 5 plus 2, 7 divided by 2, 3.5. So, 5 plus 8, we have 13 divided by 2, 6.5. Okay. 8 plus 2, we have 10 divided by 2, we have 5. And then 8 plus 5, 13, right? Divided by 2, 6.5. Okay. And then, so dito guys, pwede na natin i-compute yung summation ng, ito natin, sample mean natin. Okay? So, this is actually equal to 3.5 plus 3.5. So, we have 7, right? And then, 6.5 plus 6.5, we have 13. So, 13 plus 7, we have 20 plus 5 plus 5. So, we have 30, right? So, 30. Okay? And then, after that, dito tayo sa letter C. Identify the probability of each sample. Okay, so first, class, tingin tayo dito. Okay, so we have X, another table na to guys. So we have X, right? X bar. So tignan natin yung mga numbers. So, kapag naulit, okay lang. And then, consider it as 1. Pero, kapag kinuha yung probability niya, we have 2 or 3. So, depende kung ilan sila. Gets? So, 3.5. So, we have 3.5. And then, we have 5. And, of course, we have 6.5. So, list down lang natin dito. And then, after natin makuha to guys, next ay kunin natin yung probability, okay, ng sample mean natin. So guys, dito yung 3.5 ilang beses nag-appear? So we have 2, right? And then by the way, bago natin makalimutan, so we have n equals, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equals 6 yung total observations natin. Okay. So, yung 3.5, we have 2, right? So, 2. And then, yung probability niya, since we have 6, so 2 over 6. Or, 1/3, right? Tama? So, 5 ay, ganun din, 2/6 or 1/3. Next, 6.5, ganun din, 2/6 or 1/3. Okay? And then, after that, so we need to multiply. So, x times p of x. Kung gagamitin natin yung alternative formula, so we need to multiply. So, x, eto yan guys, or x bar times p of x, or the probability of the sample mean. Okay. So, guys, dito ang gagawin lang natin, i-multiply lang natin. 3.5 times 2/6, that is actually 7/6. Tama? 5 times 2/6, so 10/6. So, pwede tayo mag-simplify dito. And then, 6.5 times 2/6, that is 13/6. Okay, so guys, dito, get the summation. So, summation of, ito yan guys, sample mean times the probability of the sample mean. Okay, so, we have a common, we have 6, right? Lagyan natin yan. 7 plus 10, 17 plus 13, 30/6. So, what is 30/6? Kapag dinivide natin yan, guys, that is equal to 5. Nag-calculator pa ako, diba? Pero madali lang yan. Okay, so 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. Okay, so, dito guys, gamitin natin yung original formula natin. The formula is given by what? So, the mean of the sampling distribution is equal. So, in symbol, this becomes, ito yun, the mean of the sampling distribution is equal to the summation, right? Summation of the sample mean, okay, divided by n, which is the total number of observations. So, guys, dito, ito yan. So, the value is 30. And then, yung n natin dito ay 6. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, yung mean of the sampling distribution ay 5. So, 30 divided by 6, the answer is equal to 5. So, gets? Now, using other formula, ito yun, yung alternative formula natin, or method. So, we have the, sulat ko rito guys, alternative formula. Okay, the formula is given by the mean, right? Tama? Okay, so the mean of the sampling distribution is equal to the summation of the sample mean, right? Times the probability of the sample mean. Okay, so guys dito, so eto yan guys. So, that is 30/6. I-divide lang natin yan. So, the mean of the sampling distribution is equal to 5. Okay, so same, as we compare guys, so same lang yung answer natin with the use of different methods. Okay? And then, na-solve na natin to guys. And then, compute the mean of the sampling distributions. So, ito na yon. And then, after this, compute the population mean. Okay, ito yon. So, yung population mean natin ay, yung given natin, so, those are 2, 5, and 8. So, population mean, so, 2, 5, and 8. Okay, so dito guys, yung formula natin dan ay the population mean is equal to the summation of x, yung given data natin dito, divided by n. Okay? So guys dito, summation nito, ibig sabihin, ito yung x values natin, 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 plus 8 divided by 3, right? Kasi we have 3. Okay? So, 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 8, 15. 15 divided by 3, the answer is equal to 5. Tama? Okay. So, dito guys, sabi natin dito, nakumpita natin yung population mean, which is 5 then. Compare the population mean with the mean of the sampling distribution. Ito yan guys. Okay, ko-compare natin sila. So, as we observe, as we compare, guys, di ba? The population mean, ito yan, the population mean, ito yan guys, is equal to the mean of the sampling distribution. So, ito yon, right? So, magkaparehas sila. Always yan, ha? Okay. So, as you observe, the mean or the population mean is always equal to the mean of the sampling distribution. So, guys, magkaparehas sila, di ba? Okay? So, ganito lang mag-compute ng without replacement ng sampling distribution. Okay, so I hope na marin kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.